Hello, and welcome to Passport for Good. My name is Josh, and today we're going to be showing you how to join and leave groups. Let's get started. Once you log in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. This is where you'll see all your activity as well as your upcoming events. At the bottom of your page is your active groups. You're going to select the blue icon where it says Join More Groups. This will take you to a page that shows all of your school's groups. If you select Join a Group, all of the groups will display, and you can select any of the clubs or activities that you're part of at your school. Please note, in order to submit an entry to a group, you must first join it. What you'll see next is you'll be able to click on the green icon to join a group, and you'll also be able to click on the red icon to leave a group. This concludes our tutorial of how to join a group using Passport for Good. Check out our orange question mark on the bottom right-hand corner of the screen to view our knowledge base or chat with a live support representative. Thanks for watching our video tutorial. If you have any issues or technical support questions, feel free to email us at support@passportforgood.com. See you guys later.